10 protests underway in downtown Portland leave damage behind. This is the scene at the Oregon Historical Society after a group of rioters came through. All this happening within the last hour. Welcome to Coin 6 News at 10. I'm Wayne Haberly. Portland police declared a riot 20 minutes ago. Now, just before that, down the street, the same group pulled down and defaced a statue of President Teddy Roosevelt. This will round out a very active weekend of protests across Portland after a march last night led to dozens of arrests. Our Jennifer Dowling joins us from downtown right now with an update on what's happening. It's been pretty crazy in the last hour or so, and also an update on what happened last night with all those arrests. Jennifer.
That's right, Wayne. We had quite a weekend for protests. So all of this happening tonight started at around 8:30. And as you can see behind me, here's the Lincoln statue here in the Park Blocks area. It has been toppled. We believe that there was a use of a series of chains and pulleys in order to bring the statue down. And as you mentioned, this is not the only statue that was toppled tonight in this area. Just a block away, the Teddy Roosevelt statue, the image of him riding on a horse, was also brought down in a similar fashion. There are still some chains left on that statue. And then the Oregon Historical Society was also broken into. The glass is shattered at that building there. We saw a security guard monitoring things. We don't think that people got in, but there was a lot of damage there, a lot of vandalism. All of the glass surrounding the entrance has been broken on two sides, and also there were paintballs thrown at some of the murals there.
Get back! Get out of the street, every one of you!
This is a look at what happened after protesters marched from Alberta Park to the North Precinct. Protesters say police moved in to clear everyone out within minutes of arrival without declaring an unlawful assembly. Meantime, police say targeted arrests were made, adding that virtually all of the protesters wore armor, helmets, masks, and or carried shields. We talked to a citizen journalist by phone about what he witnessed.
The protesters linked up, so they linked arms and held onto each other, kind of like in a ball. And so the police just pretty much rushed them from three sides and did a lot of pepper spraying and tugging until they were able to separate everybody. It seemed like every person that was arrested was taken to the ground, and many were pepper sprayed first.